What's good, everybody? So with 2025 coming around the corner and it being a huge year for sneakerheads, they're bringing out everything, bro. They're bringing out the grails. They're bringing out the OGs. They're bringing out stuff that you didn't even think was possible to bring back. You feel me? They're bringing anything and everything back. But honestly, from a reseller and just a sneakerhead point in general, I don't know if that's good enough to bring back sneakers to its pinnacle height. I really don't. Just because there's a lot of things that is going to factor into that. For example, there's going to be way too many releases with a lot of high retails. So even though everybody's excited, not everybody's going to be buying their shoe, or they're going to be only saving their money for one specific shoe, and that kind of defeats the point, and the sales aren't going to be as what people think they're going to be. But I think this is also the perfect opportunity for some suggestions to be made so that we can revamp 2025 or just already be prepared for it, and we can have another sneaker boom. Because honestly, I think it's possible, bro. I truly do think it's possible, but I do think that there needs to be some changes made. And so this is essentially going to be a suggestion slash wish list. I think some of the ideas that I'm about to present in this video, I think they could be very beneficial for your company and sneakerheads alike, and new people who might want to get into the sneaker game, because I think this is also another very good time for new people to enjoy the sneaker game by copping some classics that they might have never had their chance before, or copping some grails that even the OG sneakerheads don't have, because there's some stuff that I plan on getting that I didn't have before. So you feel me? So this is gonna be my wish list. So let's get straight into it. First, I think, and before I start, everything that I'm about to say, I'm gonna be mainly referring to Nike and Jordan, because I feel like they're the big dogs of sneakers in general, and everything kind of I wouldn't say revolves around them, but they're the biggest one. And you got the Asics and the New Balance that are just orbiting around them. Even though they're the hot shots right now, it's just Nike and Jordan, they big dogs overall. So I think that's what most people are going to cater to, and that's honestly what 2025 is all about, honestly. But there's some things that Asics and the other brands as well could do as well. But mainly Nike and Jordan when I'm referring to. I'll make it clear when I'm talking about any other brands. But I think all of the sneaker brands, they need to incorporate original experiences. Because if you're going to bring back all of these classics, right, there is a huge demographic that doesn't understand why this certain shoe is popular. You cannot explain to anyone probably 21 and under, or I'll say anyone 21 and under probably don't know the significance or importance of the Undefeated 4 coming back. Obviously, there's going to be some sneakerheads who do their research because this is a hobby that they love, but outside of them, bro, there's going to be a huge demographic that has no idea why everybody is hyping around the Undefeated 4s. And to them, it's going to look like a colorway that we already had on multiple shoes, and they're going to think it's ugly. We already had Craft 4s. Nobody bought those. Those went on retail. We had the, Sequoia 8s, Sequoia 6s. Both of those didn't sell out, went on sale, etc. So we had the Craft 3s, etc. You dig what I'm saying? So they're not going to understand what the Undefeated 4s is. But if you find a way to bring that experience of all the hype of oh, this is the first collab Jordan with a retailer. You know what I'm saying? If you're able to present that experience to a new generation, it will be good for everybody, because not only will the people who are nostalgic about it, they'll have nostalgic feelings about it. The people who never got to experience but knew about it, they'll get to experience for the first time. And then you're also bringing in a new crowd of people. And I think that would just honestly be amazing. Even at the bare minimum, I feel like you should have like some of your stores have a special event catered around the release where people get to, maybe you go back to first come first serve. You may get it a little hectic. Maybe you bring back these old schooler vibes. You feel what I'm saying? Maybe you do maybe like a little workshop in the store or whatever, where we can learn the history about it and understand why it's so rare. A lot of these shoes, they have these stories attached to them. That's why their price is so high. That's why people seek out after them so much. But if you're just gonna drop something and expect us to play Ever played the telephone game in kindergarten where your teacher started with a phrase and everybody had to whisper it to the next person, and your goal was to have the same exact phrase at the end of the circle? We all know how that game works out, bro. It's never gonna get back to the full circle, bro, in the same. It's gonna be a whole different message, bro. So you expect us to pass this down on generations when there's only 72 pairs of the undefeated fours that came out. So you expect 72 people to deliver a message to generations? Bro, come on, bro. So I think that they need to incorporate some type of stories, original experience. Bro, even when people back in the day, bro, they was making the memes, bro, when they'll be like, all I'm focused on is the bread. And they'll have 2 slices of breads with bread 11s in between that, bro. Let's bring back those vibes, bro. If Nike and Jordan or any brand, bro, are able to incorporate those vibes, these nostalgic vibes, when they're bringing back these original shoes, bro, that would incline so many more people to buy them, bro, because you're getting an experience, bro. You're not going to want to miss out on that experience. If you've never experienced before, you're not going to want to miss out again. And now that you're an adult or you're older and you maybe have more money, more resources, there's no reasons why you're saying you're going to miss out. Or for the people who did miss out, now you get to do it. Now, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a cycle of everybody is being pleased, bro. And it's bringing everybody together, bro. Because if they brought back the vibes of we being silly with the memes and stuff, or grape vibes, and you got a picture like I don't know the word for it, but a bundle of grapes, you feel what I'm saying, bro? That would be cool. Now, obviously, that would have to fall on us, but we're not going to be so inclined to do that, bro, when it's like, oh, this shoe's coming out, I guess I'll buy it. It's like $270 now, so whatever. I know I can get it at the store. I'll probably just get it like days later. That's boring, bro. We want the excitement back, bro. There was a reason why people were willing to sit out in lines. Now people aren't willing to sit out, bro. We need to bring first come, first serve back in general, bro. COVID is over, bro. I've met, I won't say the coolest people, but I've met some decent people. I've met some decent people in line, bro. I've made connections in line, bro. Even though I'm staying there overnight, I'm being there for hours and hours. Bro, I've had some of the funniest moments in line, bro. If my brother was here, bro, and when he does get here, bro, we're going to have some story times for y'all, bro, because we had some funny stories, bro, staying in line. But me trying to just, this is literally how I feel copping shoes now. Like, oh, I can get this. Let me just go ahead and buy it. Boom. And then it just sits here. Literally, these are the Amani Manir, what, the 3s? Still in the shipping box, bro. Just cause, like, bro, I don't like. Oh, I got them just so I don't miss out. But I don't care enough to even take them out the box, bro. That's how it is now, bro. I need some fun with it, bro. Some incentive of, and I guess that sounds selfish of having one incentive, but it's just like that's what makes these shoes. A lot of people be like, oh, I don't understand why this shoe costs this much, this and that, and so this is the reason, bro. But now that they take the story away, I can't justify these prices, and that's why the price is so low, because there's nothing attached to them no more. It's just, y'all wanted this one. So that's one of the major things that I think they need to do, man, to revamp 2025, bro. Bring back a vibe, bro. They even talk about bringing back the original 10 off-whites, bro. That was like prime 2016, 2017, bro. You had every mainstream rapper talking about off-white Prestos, off-white this, off-white that. Uzi, Nav, Dexter, Yachty, Migos, Rich the Kid, like everybody prime 2016, Lil Pump, Ugly God, like everybody, bro. Off-white. That collab, bro, changed the world, bro. I promise you, if you give us just that vibe, you're a $1 billion company, bro. I know you can incorporate, bro, some type of aesthetic, some type of vibe, some type of theme into a shoe release. You've done it before. Just bring it back. Oh, bro, what? You mean to tell me I get to get the off-white 10s and y'all bringing back 2016 vibes? Oh, it's up. I'm standing in whatever line. I'm flying out to whatever city. Whatever you need me to do to get those, to experience that, oh yeah, I'm going. Easy. And now that I'm not in high school, because I was in high school back then, now I'm not, I can easily catch a flight. I can easily call off work. You feel me? Like, it's different. Yo, that's mine. You know what I'm saying? Undefeated 4. I want to experience that again because I missed out on some of them. I got some of them, but I missed out on a lot. Holy, bro, you can't tell me, bro. Okay, I want y'all to do me a favor. In the comment section, bro, tell me your favorite memory with a shoe that you did to buy it. You had to go through something to buy a shoe. What was your favorite memory or you feel me? And then once you type it out and press enter, bro, just reminisce on that, bro. Wouldn't you want to experience like that again, bro? Like, I'll never forget, bro. The Bread 11s, I think this was 2012 or 2014? I forgot when they came out again. But my sister's boyfriend at the time, man, he had them, bro. And he flexed on them all the time, bro. And every time I was out with him and everybody saw like him with the breads on, he always got compliments, bro. Everybody, bro, where you get those? Dang, bro, what size them is? Every single time, bro. I was like, as a kid, bro, I was in awe. Then my mama, we went to some Foot Locker, bro, and she was like, go to this dude and ask for the Bread 11s in this size. I go up to the dude, I see it on his name tag. I said, hey, can I get the Bread 11s in the size 11? He looked down at me, said, we don't got them, bro. I was so sad. I went back to my mom, and she was like, no, go back to him and say this name, and you'll get them. And I was always like a little hard-headed. That's not gonna work. She's like, just do it. I go back in there. I go up to him. I say, hey, the breads were for, and I say the name. His whole face changed. He was like, oh, no, I got you, bro. Just wait a bit. He was like, I got you, little bro. Just wait. I'll pull him out from the back. I was like, whoa. I want that original experience back when it comes to sneakers, bro. Nike, Jordan, y'all gotta find a way, bro. And if y'all do, y'all are back in business. I promise you, bro. But just releasing these shoes just to give us what we want, I don't think that's enough. I truly don't, bro. Because now that you gave us everything, one, you lost all longevity. Because what do you plan on doing in 2026? You done gave us everything we wanted. Y'all done emptied our bank accounts. Y'all done made us have a 52 credit score. Bro, y'all made us get our car repoed, bro. Y'all made us do everything, bro. So what y'all gonna do in 2026? And then also y'all releasing so much in 2025, it only forces people to pick and choose. Are they really gonna have to pick and choose? Well, no, I wanted these since I was a kid, but I also wanted these, but I want these more, and they're both $250, and I don't just have 500 laying around for shoes. So he's only gonna get one. He's gonna miss out on his grail again. But let you have some experience.